Hello everybody. Once again I am here with you for the new session which is to be related with our stationary waves. Already we have seen in detail what exactly meaning to be as an stationary waves and what is open end organ pipe and closed end organ pipe with the basically change with the position as well as change with the your time is to be there. Now today we are going to see what exactly the pressure and density changes are there at the point of node and antinode. So that's why the title here it is given basically clearly, that is nothing but to be investigation of the pressure and the density changes at the displacement nodes and the antinodes are to be there. So what exactly the changes occurs at the node point and the antinode point as far as the pressure and the density is going to be concerned. As we are aware about that what is the antinode point and what is the node points are to be there. Exactly the node to node distance is nothing but to be a lambda by 2. Antinode to antinode distance is again lambda by 2, but the antinode and the node distance is nothing but to be lambda by 4 is to be there. As far as the the stationary points which are at the mean position, that's called as a your node points are to be there, and where the displacement is 0 and strain is maximum. As far as antinode points are going to be concerned, the displacement is maximum and the strain is 0. So let's see what exactly the pressure and density relationships are to be there. So to see exactly what is the as far as the stationary waves are going to be concerned. Now in this case if you look at here, I am going to be adjusting a little bit this. So as far as the to understand this pressure density changes at the node point and the antinode point, first we have to taken into account how the stationary waves are going to be generated, and here it is to be taken into account as in fluids are to be there. And when the fluids waves are taken into account, that is the when the waves are set up in fluids, and that is what the your stationary waves are to be there. And we are going to find out the what is the exactly excess pressure is to be there, and the excess pressure is nothing but to be given with small p minus of E into d by dy by dx is to be there. So as far as the excess pressure that we have already seen or studied at the first year, and here we have seen how it is the surface tension related excess pressure parts are to be there. Here as far as the stationary waves or the fluids are going to be concerned, the excess pressure is nothing but to be given in this way, that is the p is small p is equal to minus of E dy by dx, where the E is nothing but to be negative sign is to be as only for the away from the towards the center point is to be there. And as far as E is nothing but to be volumetric elasticity is to be there. And that exactly it is given in the fashion V square rho is to be there, and that is volumetric elasticity is to be given. As far as the dy by dx, we are aware about that it is slope ratio or the strain we can say, and it is also to be related with the volumetric strain is to be there as far as the fluids are going to be concerned. Already we have seen that is the dy by dx in all cases how it is called to be as an strain is to be there. So moving forward to be as and we are aware about that in open end organ pipe what is exactly for a stationary waves relationship is to be there. So for a stationary wave in a open end organ pipe, we are aware about that the strain is given with the relationship that is dy by dx, and that is nothing but to be a minus of 4 pi a by lambda sine of twice pi x by lambda sine of twice pi v t by lambda is to be there. And this is what the strain as far as the stationary wave is going to be concerned and open end organ pipe is going to be concerned. And in this case this dy by dx is nothing but to be your strain, and it is given with the same relationship. You can check anytime, you will find the same relationship. Now as far as the excess pressure part is to be there, here it is to be shown. If you can't see clearly, I will show you. Basically it is given what exactly already in the previous session we have seen, that part is to be there. Again what exactly the relations are to be concerned, basically related with the that is minus E dy by dx is to be there, that pre-excess pressure is to be given. So putting these values of the minus E and the dy by dx, म्हणजे E ची व्हॅल्यू आणि dy by dx ची व्हॅल्यू जर पुटअप केली तर P as an excess pressure can be given in this fashion. And what exactly this is having the relationship, that we can also see, that is to be as an basically if you look at this case where to be as an P is E ची व्हॅल्यू जी आहे V square rho is to be there, and as far as this dy by dx is going to be concerned, this dy by dx is nothing but to be a minus of 4 pi a by lambda so and so. and म्हणून ह्या ठिकाणी हे मायनस ई आणि हे मायनस 4 पाय, हे मायनस मायनस इथं जर झालं तर हे होते प्लस, म्हणून इथं व्हॅल्यू जी आली ती प्लस आलेली आहे. व्ही स्क्वेअर रो 4 पाय ए बाय लॅम्बडा साइन ऑफ ट्वाइस पाय एक्स बाय लॅम्बडा साइन ऑफ ट्वाइस पाय ट्वाइस पाय व्ही टी बाय लॅम्बडा इज टू बी देअर. ही व्हॅल्यू प्लस का आली तर इथं मायनस ए डी वाय बाय डी एक्स आणि ऑलरेडी एक्सेस प्रेशर काय मायनस ई डी वाय बाय डी, म्हणजे मायनस मायनस झालं प्लस, म्हणून इथं आली व्हॅल्यू ती प्लस. आता जर समजा दिस इज व्हॉट द पी मॅक्स वेअर द टोटल ह्याची जर व्हॅल्यू आपण काउंट केली, दिस साइन ऑफ दिस एनी व्हॅल्यू इज टू बी कन्सर्न, दॅट विल मॅक्सिमम हॅविंग द व्हॅल्यू नियरली वन्स एक येऊ शकते मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू. and that's why the maxima of the P excess pressure is depend on this value, and that's why P max is nothing but to be given as an V square rho 4 pi a by lambda is to be there. So this is what the P max is given to be in this fashion. So excess pressure can be written in this case as an P max, जे हा व्हॅल्यू साठी जर मी P max लिहिलं, so that will be again to be written to be as an P max into sine of this quantity is to be there, that is sine of twice pi x by lambda sine of twice pi Vt by lambda is to be there. So this is what the excess pressure is to be there as far as the fluids are going to be concerned. Now this relationship again it can be written, it is to be as an P max ला जर Px लिहिलं तर that is again to be, if you look at here it is to be short मध्ये Px लिहिलं, and that is what ह्या quantity ला जर that is to be as an your value is to be written to be as an the new relationship for the P will be Px sine of twice pi Vt by lambda is to be there, where Px is nothing but to be again clearly mentioned here, it is P max into sine of this twice pi x by lambda is to be there. So this is what the case where you can the relationship trigonometric arrangements are to be there. So this is what the relationship, that is P max is to be written in this fashion, that is to be as an excess pressure is to be written as a P is equal to Px sine of twice pi Vt by lambda is to be there. Now it represents the amplitude of the pressure variation at a point distance from the interface is to be there. So if you look at this case where the this relationship is going to be concerned, that is the amplitude at the pressure variation at that point is to be very much important at a point distance from the interface is to be, that is what the total value is going to be dependent. And the expression is to be their excess pressure indicates that particularly pressure variation is harmonically with the time. This is what the case where it is to be as an, if you look at this relationship is to be there, this is what the twice pi is to be as an related with the period part by if you twice pi v by lambda, where v is to be as an wave velocity and lambda it is to be related v by lambda is nothing but to be 1 by t relationship or 1 by n is to be there, time period is to be 1 by n, that is to be relationship. And with that case this particularly as an lambda by v हे जर समजा calculate केलं तर that will be that means to be as an excess pressure indicates that the pressure variation harmonically with respect to the time is to be there, that is what the with the time period variation, that is what the your excess pressure is going to be changing in that case. So at that case the components waves of that particularly same as that of the components of the waves are to be there. So now we are interested to find out what exactly the excess what exactly happens at the antinode point. As far as the antinode points are going to be concerned, we are aware about that the strain is zero, thus the strain is going to be 0, that means to be as an sine of twice pi x by lambda is equal to 0. So putting these values to be as an in this relationship, that is p is equal to px sine of so and so, total value sine of twice pi x by lambda into sine of twice pi vt by lambda is to be there. So त्या केसमध्ये ही जर व्हॅल्यू 0 झाली तर एव्हरीथिंग एनिथिंग इंटू 0 that will be 0. That means the p max or the px will be becoming to be as an 0 is to be there. So in that case, at the antinode point, when the strain is going to be 0, the px, that is p max, is becoming to be 0. As far as px becomes to be 0, hence the excess pressure will be going to be 0. What it indicates? That there is no change, that is no change as far as the अँटीनोड पॉईंट्स आर गोइंग टू बी कन्सर्न. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी काय येते, जर समजा ह्या व्हॅल्यूमध्ये काही चेंज होत, दॅट इज व्हॉट विच इज शोईंग 0. दॅट मीन्स देर इज नो चेंज in the pressure and the density at that point. At that point means at this antinode point there is no change as far as pressure and the density is going to be concerned. That is, the pressure and the density remains as an normal at this particularly antinode points. Now let's see what happens as far as the node point is going to be concerned, where the points are at the mean position. If you look at the strain is going to be concerned, that is dy by dx is going to be max, and the displacement is 0, that we are aware about that at this node point is to be there. And as this dy by dx is going to be max, that means to be sine ची value maximum किती असू शकते, that is plus minus 1 is to be there. So that is what sine of twice pi x by lambda will be becoming to be as n plus minus 1. So putting these values are going to be the plus minus 1. So this px will be nothing but to be becoming to be as an your p max, and that is how it is to be as an px is nothing but to be p max, and here the excess pressure is nothing but to be given as a plus minus p max into sine of twice pi vt by lambda is to be there. So it is what indicating that pressure and the density may be greater or less than the normal value. That plus minus is valuation is to be there, that means to be the pressure and the density, that is what the p is to be there, and the density related parts are also to be there, that is to be greater than the normal values are to be there. Now this is what the changes as far as the node points and the antinode points are going to be concerned. But what happens as the at other points are going to be concerned? We have seen now what we have seen already at this case. If you look at carefully, means to be, I will show you, this is what the case where the your stationary wave supposed to be there, and where we have seen these are nothing but to be your node points are steady mean position वरचे जे points आहेत त्याला आपण node points म्हणलेले आहे, that is what n, and that point we have seen how the pressure and density is going to be either greater or lesser than the normal value, and these are nothing but to be antinode points are to be there. This is, and this one is to be. At this stage there is no change as far as the pressure and density is to be there. That means at this antinode points the pressure and density are not going to be changing, it will be normal. Now we are interested to find out what happens in between this as far as this n to a, म्हणजे नोड पॉईंट पासून अँटीनोड पॉईंट पर्यंत जेवढे काही पॉईंट्स आहेत किंवा जेवढं व्हेरिएशन आहे, किंवा अँटीनोड पासून ह्या नोड पर्यंत हे जे मधले पॉईंट्स आहेत त्या ठिकाणी त्या पॉईंटच्या ठिकाणी नोड पॉईंट जवळ बघितलं की डेन्सिटी आणि प्रेशर ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर लेस दॅन नॉर्मल व्हॅल्यूपेक्षा असते, आणि अँटीनोड पॉईंट जवळ काही चेंज होत नाही. पण इन बिटवीन अँटीनोड आणि नोड पॉईंट यांच्यामधले जे पॉईंट्स आहेत त्या ठिकाणी नेमके प्रेशर आणि डेन्सिटी ही किती असते किंवा काय त्याच्यामध्ये बदल असतो. टू फाइंड आउट दॅट दिस रिलेशनशिप इज टू बी युजफुल. So that is P excess pressure is nothing but to be given with the values, that is P max sine of twice pi x by lambda sine of twice pi Vt by lambda is to be there, where the Px is nothing but to be P max sine of twice pi x by lambda is always less than the whatever particularly values are to be there, and that is the pressure and density variation varies at all the times, are always less than at the normal points are to be there, and that is what the p max पेक्षा ह्याची जी व्हॅल्यू आहे it is to be as an less असते, आणि that is pressure and the density ह्या ठिकाणी variation at all the times are always less than that of the normal particles are to be, normal values are to be there to be in between these पॉईंट्स आर टू बी देअर. म्हणजे अँटी नोड पॉईंट आणि नोड पॉईंट यांच्या दरम्यान जे काय आहे हे इन बिटवीन व्हेरीज होत राहते. दॅट इज व्हॉट द अकॉर्डिंग टू द दॅट विल बी द लेस दॅन दिस पर्टिक्युलर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ पी मॅक्स. पी मॅक्सपेक्षा जी काय आहे त्याची व्हॅल्यू कमी असते आणि 0 म्हणजे नॉर्मल, दॅट इन बिटवीन त्या मॅक्स व्हॅल्यूच्यापेक्षा आणि ह्या नॉर्मल व्हॅल्यूच्या इन बिटवीन त्याची व्हॅल्यू होत राहते. दस अँटीनोड अँड द antinodes of the displacement that is to be as an undergoes no variation, and as far as the in between the pressure and the your density part is going to be concerned. But as far as the node points are to be of the displacements undergoes a maximum variation, as we can see in this case, whereas an investigation of the pressure and the density is to be there. And this is what the case where the investigation of the pressure and the density change is going to be at the node point and antinode points are going to be there. It is at antinode point there is no change, at the node point it is maximum variation, and in between them it is variation between normal and max is to be there. So this is what the as far as the changes occurs as far as pressure and the density is going to be concerned. So thank you very much for being with us, and next part we will see tomorrow. Till then, take care, be at home and be safe.